In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell and redeem gift cards in the point of sale. In the point of sale, you can sell physical gift cards. However, if your guest would like to purchase digital gift cards, they will need to purchase this online, or you can issue it on their behalf in the venue manager. In this example, I'm going to purchase a $25 gift card. I'm going to add that $25 gift card to the cart, and it will prompt me to enter a card number. This card number should be either a printed number on the physical card or a barcode on the physical card. You should then enter in that number or scan the barcode. Now the gift card has been added to the cart, you will need to add a booking holder. You want to add a booking holder in case this person loses their card and you can find them in the system still. Now I have all the details and the card added to the cart, I can proceed to pay. Once I have paid for my gift card, that gift card is now in the system. I can now redeem this on items within the point of sale. To redeem a gift card, whether it's purchased online or in venue, I can go to a menu, add an item to the cart, proceed to pay, select gift card, and then enter in that gift card number or scan their card and click tender. From here, I select pay, and now I have redeemed that gift card on this purchase. If you have a guest entering your venue wanting to know how much value is left on their gift card, you can do this by clicking search, gift cards, scanning or entering in their gift card number. This will bring up their gift card history. You can see when the gift card was purchased, what dates it was used, when it expires, and the amount remaining.